In this video, I'm going to show you how to add new keys to your car. So we're sitting here inside of our brand new Tesla Model Y. No keys have been added. Here's what you got to do. The first thing you're going to do is go into your Tesla app. You're going to come over here to set up phone key, hit pair. It says communicating with car. It says take the key card now and slide it down in the area where the key cards go down below. Once that's done, it'll say Superman has been connected. Now when you go into your keys, you see here Amber's iPhone and Superman, which of course is me. And if you want to add other keys, you can click add there, such as a smart ring like I have here. It can also be added right there. The big thing to remember here when you are adding a key is you must have another key already synced to add a different key. So in this case, I'm using the Tesla card here, which is only about, what did it say, $13 to replace? $15 to replace, so they're not that expensive. But you cannot add a ring or a phone or anything else unless you do have another key to verify it. So if I wanted to add my smart ring, I would click on add right there. I would then take it, put it down below, use this key to verify it, and it would be added. Now if you want to delete a key, it's pretty self-explanatory. Come in here and hit delete, the key is gone. You can also rename the actual key cards themselves. So for example, this key card, I can tap on that right there, enter the name such as Amber, hit save, and now it will say Amber's card. That's pretty much it when it comes to adding a key to your car. If you have any other questions, leave them down below in the comments. I'll be glad to help you out. Don't forget, we have multiple videos coming up on this tutorial series. Please leave a comment, leave a like, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that bell notification to catch our next video. Thanks for watching.